Back in 2024, Vosteed grabbed the attention of the EDC world with the ultra-thin parallel knife. Then came the Porcupine TiSlim, which refined that concept even further. Now the brand is back once again with what might be its best slim design yet, the Vosteed Porcupine TiSlim. If you're familiar with the TiSlim lineup, you already know the idea. Take a full-sized EDC knife and make it unbelievably slim without sacrificing functionality. And that's exactly what Vosteed has done here. The Ti in TiSlim stands for titanium, meaning this knife comes with titanium handle scales and a matching machined titanium pocket clip. But the bigger story is the slim part of the name. At just 0.315 inches thick, the Porcupine TiSlim is thin enough to slip into a wallet, yet it still delivers the feel of a real full-sized EDC knife. It measures 7.22 inches overall and features a practical 3.04-inch drop point blade that's perfect for everyday cutting tasks. But this isn't just a Porcupine TiSlim with a different blade shape. Vosteed made several meaningful upgrades here. The handle now features milled titanium scales, giving the knife a more secure grip while also adding depth and texture to the design. The handle is also slightly wider, making it more comfortable for larger hands. Another major change is the lock. Instead of a crossbar lock, the Porcupine TiSlim uses a button lock, something fans of the original Porcupine will instantly recognize. It's simple, smooth, and easy to operate with just a press of the recessed button. Some familiar features still remain, including 154 cm blade steel, thumb studs for deployment, and a built-in lanyard hole. There's also a premium version featuring upgraded S90V steel and an acid wash textured handle for a more high-end look and feel. The Porcupine TiSlim launches in 5 different configurations. 4 models are priced at $139, while the premium S90V version comes in at $179. Overall, this feels like another huge win for Vosteed. And honestly, it might be the best TiSlim model yet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more EDC and knife content. And let me know in the comments, would you carry the Porcupine TiSlim over the Porcupine TiSlim?